What up, y'all? Today we're gonna be unboxing Popcultcha Star Wars mystery box, and I'm pretty excited. I don't know what's gonna be inside. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, here we are. Take a look at the box. On the side it says Star Wars Mandalorian the Child with control. I don't know what that means, but yeah, apparently there's 6 pieces per case. I got a feeling it's probably this original box, but then they start putting random Funko Pops inside it. Maybe, I don't know. That's what it looks like. So yeah, let's check it out. Alright, how do I get this out? Okay, here you go. Oh man, okay. First one is Vice Admiral Holdo. I've never seen her. As in the Funko Pop version. Wow. The box quality pretty good. Alright. That one. Maybe I'll put it right here. Next one. Ooh, L337. Okay, so this one's in the Solo movie. Ooh, oh man, Ahsoka. Oh, this one's the special edition one. The one when she's in the costume, the mechanic costume in the Clone Wars, something like that. Yeah. Alright, I like it. I like it. Is this Rose? Yep, Rose. Okay, okay. 2 more to go. This one, the Death Watch Mandalorian 2 stripe. Never seen this one as yet. Well, in the end, I just recently got into Star Wars Funko Pops, and I didn't know they released this version, but yeah, okay. Oh, cool. Nice, nice, nice. And our last one. Dark Maul. Man, wow. This is awesome. I like it. I like it. I wanted this one too, actually. Yeah, I wanted this one. I can't believe I got it. This is awesome. I love it. Oh man, that's awesome. Alright, well that was all in my mystery box. And yeah. Okay, well that's the end of my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please press the like. And there is more Star Wars mystery unboxing video coming up, so please be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.